Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all people are eagerly waiting for the decision of TS High Court for postponation of TS Eamcet 2020. So TS High Court has given a decision regarding the postponation of TS Eamcet 2020. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As you all know that the appeal filed by NSUI Telangana for postponation of all the sets of Telangana including TS Eamcet was in the High Court. So yesterday the TSCHE Telangana State Council for Higher Education has successfully completed TS ecet 2020 examinations. So now you may have doubt that the TS Eamcet will be conducted as per schedule released by the TSCHE or it will be postponed again. So if you talk regarding the High Court decision, so the High Court has given decision regarding the conducting of all the sets of Telangana. So the High Court has given permission to conduct TS Eamcet, TS ecet, TS Polycet, TS PG ecet and all the sets of Telangana. Now itself there will be no postponation of this examination due to these pandemic conditions. So by this it is clear that there will be no postponation of TS Eamcet 2020 and it will be conducted on 9, 10, 11th and 14th September for engineering and for agriculture on 28 and 29 September 2020. So as TSCHE has conducted TSECET successfully, so now there is no chance of postponation of TS Eamcet 2020. So you just focus on your preparation, don't waste your time. So you have nearly 1 week. So concentrate on your preparation. Leave a comment in the comment section regarding how your preparation is going on. And make sure to join my WhatsApp group where you can find fast and latest update regarding TS Eamcet 2020. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.